Please translation.
Sorry.
I understood the question, but still translate it.
There's a question from Brother Salah Abu Ali from Palestine, and he says, what is the significance of moving a dead body from one place to another after a few years? Does this mean that the soul have a permanent relation with the dead body or not?
The two different questions. One of all, the significance is only a sentimental significance, because, and it has full authority of text, scriptures as well. According to the Bible, the bodies of prophets were moved from one place to another, and according to Islamic history, the bodies of shuhada were removed from one place and they were buried to different places. So in wasiyat also we have the system of moving the body, but there is one slight difference. The body is moved to a place which is called Behishti Maqbara, which means people from all over the world go there to say prayer, and these people who have done special services, the board shows the name, etc. So I have seen people loitering all along, praying at every grave. So this is the main significance of this removal of body from one place to another. And the second part was?
Does this mean that the soul has a permanent relationship?
No, soul has no permanent relationship with the body. Only the person's emotional relationship with the body is causing a stir which Allah may convey to the soul of that body.